Okay, I've rotated the boom 90 degrees and I retightened the nuts securing the boom to mast plate. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate, and I can do this while I hold the camera. We're going to put the driven EHU pulls on first. So I'm just going to reach over here grab the boom, and we're going to bring it alongside the tower. So now, as I'm standing here on the tower, as you can see, I should be able to easily stab the poles into the ESTs on the EHUs. It shouldn't be much of a problem. Let me show that to you again, this time without my fingers in the way. Rotating the boom from being horizontal to being vertical and alongside the tower. And as you can see, when I go to stab the director down there, I'll be lower on the tower. So let's go ahead and bring the poles up, which I have already on the ground down there ready to come up. I'll pull those up and I'll secure them to the tower, then I'll remove the, these are temporary. This is an extra set of boots. I have boots on the poles already, so after I stab them, then I can just push the boots on to the EST and secure the pole. I'll do one side, then do the other.